Good morning, students. We were doing chapter 5 of Indian politics, challenges to Congress system. Today, beta, we are going to do different types of party system which are existing in the world. Okay, so there are mainly three type of party system existing in the world. First is one party system, second is two party system or bi-party system, and third is multi-party system. Okay, so first of all we are going to do one party system. You do you remember the China is having one party, that is Chinese Communist Party, and according to their constitution, legally we can say only one party is allowed to stand in the election and to fight the election. People don't have any other choice. People will go and will choose the representatives of only single existing party. So you are thinking, okay, then what is the use of election, है ना? But this is a system of China, कि only one party will exist. So this is example of a one party system. There are many advantages of one party system, beta. First is only one party is there, so it can control and it can run the administration with efficiency. Okay, because there is no coalition government, no dispute, है ना? No opposition party, so the ruling party can take the decision wisely and quick decision. Okay, if there is need to take some quick decision, it can take a quick decision, no delay. Okay, and second thing is beta, जो ये पार्टी है, in this one party system corruption is also less. The country will develop, है ना? I told you in your chapters कि China got its independence in 1949 and India got its independence in 1947. So who is a developed country? Who is among the most developed countries of the world? China. Why? Because of its one party system. Because in this type of system, the decisions are taken quickly for the betterment of the country, and side by side beta, in this corruption is also very less. Okay, as compared to multi-party system. Disadvantages, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट तो है वैसे, है ना? ये इसका बेनिफिट है, इसका एडवांटेज है कि इट गिव्स स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट टू द कंट्री. बट सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो डिसएडवांटेज है वो क्या है बेटा? इट इज़ अनडेमोक्रेटिक. इट इज़ अनडेमोक्रेटिक. People don't have choices. There is only one party. Okay, they don't have any other choice, and importance is given to the state, not to the people. Yani people are not important for the country is important than people. Okay, next is beta, इसमें disadvantage है आपका, people have no choice and it is not so important. People are not important, country is important. So all these were disadvantages of one party system. Second है आपका बाई पार्टी सिस्टम और टू पार्टी सिस्टम, in which two parties are the main parties of the country. Okay, one time suppose कि one party is winning election, then other time other party is winning the election. Other parties can be there, might be there are 3, 4, 5, 6 political parties, but these are very small and very less powerful parties and are not able to win the election. यानी जो कंपटीशन है ना, इलेक्शन कंपटीशन इज इन बिटवीन टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होती है. Okay, so people have choice, they are going and giving vote to, they have limited choice, rather we can say people have limited choice, they are going and choosing one option among the two options. Okay, then but in which countries this type of system, bi-party system, is existed? USA and UK. In USA there are two main political parties, Democrats and Republicans, and in UK also there are mainly other parties are also there in UK, but among all two are very powerful. First is with liberal Democrats and second is conservatives. Okay, so this is बाई पार्टी सिस्टम या टू पार्टी सिस्टम. एडवांटेजेस क्या है बेटा इसके? एडवांटेजेस आर कि पीपल हैव चॉइस. ये बात दूसरी है कि लिमिटेड चॉइस, दे हैव टू चूज दिस और दैट, ओनली टू चॉइसेस. ओके, सेकेंड, इन दिस टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम करप्शन इज लेस एज कंपेयर टू मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. इन वन पार्टी सिस्टम तो नो करप्शन. ओके, और इन दिस लेस करप्शन एज कंपेयर टू मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. In this type of party system, people are given importance, and these are democratic countries also. So people's choice, people are important. Okay. Then disadvantages, we can say no real democracy because people have limited choice. You know, people don't have more than two choices. People have only two choices, and in this beta coalition government is not possible. Okay, coalition government ki when a single party is not able to get the majority, then two or more parties are making the government, joining the hands, है ना, that type of government is called कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट. बट इसमें इन इस टाइप की जो पार्टी सिस्टम में क्या है कि जो दो पार्टी हैं वो बिल्कुल अपोजिट हैं एक दूसरे के, है ना. सो हाउ दे कैन शेक हैंड. सो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट्स आर नॉट पॉसिबल इन दिस टाइप ऑफ party system. Yani if no one is able to win the majority, then re-election will happen. Okay. And you know, in election so much money is used, time is also used, है ना, resources are also used. Then next is multi-party system, which is followed in India, in which people have many choices. There are more than three parties. There are more than three choices in front of the people. So it is, we can say, truly democratic system in which people have more choices. They can choose which is the best. Okay, on the basis of their works. Okay, so but there are so many, and a good example is our India. India is having multi-party system, but this multi-party system appears messy. Sometimes there are so many political parties, people are confused to whom they have to give vote. They are not able to decide, which is happening in India, है ना. हम कहते हैं कि all politicians are corrupt, सारे एक जैसे हैं, किसको वोट दें, कोई भी कुछ नहीं करता है ना. सो ये क्यों पॉसिबल है? क्यों? बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इन इंडिया. ठीक है. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट मोर देन 750 political parties are registered with election commission of India. Okay, so it looks very messy. Okay, people are confused. So first of all advantages कर रहे हैं बेटा. In this क्या है, people have, सबसे बड़ा advantage यही है, people have many choices. Okay, so it is real democracy. They can choose this, that or another one. Then next is बेटा, people are very important. People are very very important rather, we can say. Okay, then next is policies are made only and only for the betterment of the people. सारी जितनी भी जो laws होते हैं, policies होती हैं, all are made for the betterment of the people. Then disadvantages बेटा, it looks often very messy. Okay, then next more corruption. इंडिया का हाल आपको पता ही है ना. सो this multi-party system leads to more corruption in the government. Okay, which is a threat to the democratic country like India. Then it can lead to political instability. Okay, we have read defection. You know the meaning of defection, है ना, coalition. So these two are the main challenges to the multi-party system. Okay, because of coalition, because of, you can say, defection, the ministers can change the party and they can shake their hands with other parties. उससे क्या होगा, it will bring instability in the country. कि एक जो पार्टी मेजॉरिटी में थी, अगले नेक्स्ट डे क्या हो जाएगी, वो मेजॉरिटी में नहीं रहेगी. बिकॉज क्या है, द मिनिस्टर्स हैव चेंज द पार्टी. Okay, so because of this it is very challenging. Okay, so all these are the advantages and disadvantages of मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. सो उसमें एक और भी चीज़ ऐड होती है बेटा, हमारी कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट. वो मैंने आपको पहले भी बता दिया है कि कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट मीन्स कि व्हेन ए सिंगल पार्टी इज़ नॉट एबल टू विन द मेजॉरिटी, देन टू और मोर पार्टीज आर जॉइनिंग हैंड्स एंड मेकिंग द गवर्नमेंट. दैट टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज कॉल्ड कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन हरियाणा ऑल्सो, है ना, देर इज़ कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ BJP एंड JJP. Okay, so let us now read some examples, okay, from our book Indian Politics. So beta, in some countries like China, Cuba, Syria, the constitution permits only a single party to rule the country. We have read the example of China na, कि only their constitution is allowing only one party to rule on the country. Other parties are not allowed. Some others like Myanmar, Belarus or Egypt are effectively one party states due to legal and military measures. Okay, and up to few years before, Mexico, South Korea, Taiwan were also having effectively one party dominant states they were. But now we are going to read the story of Mexico. ठीक है बेटा. Mexico is having one very powerful political party named PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Okay, this PRI has led the freedom struggle of Mexico. In 1929 it was founded. So उसके बाद the Mexico got independence, and since then up to 2000, up to year 2000, every time in Mexico election was won by this PRI. Other parties were there, but they were harassed, you can say. They were tortured, they were not allowed to arrange their meetings, and PRI became so powerful now, it was not allowing other political parties during election for election campaign. Their meetings were disrupted, है ना. Media was not allowed to speak something for those अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. यानी कंट्रोल जो था ना मीडिया का, वो कम्प्लीटली किसके हैंड में था? PRI के हैंड में था. और क्या करती थी PRI बेटा? यूज़ माल प्रैक्टिसेस टू विन द इलेक्शन. एट द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन, ऑन द डे ऑफ इलेक्शन, दे वर शिफ्टिंग द पोलिंग बूथ्स सो दैट द पीपल शुड नॉट बी एबल टू गिव देयर वोट्स टू एनी अदर पार्टी. जाली वोट्स वर ऑल्सो, मतलब ये सब रिगिंग और माल प्रैक्टिसेस वर यूज्ड बाय द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी PRI. बट फाइनली क्या हुआ? इन 2000, आफ्टर 2000 जो इसका डोमिनेशन था वो फिनिश हो गया. नाउ मैक्सिको इज हैविंग मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. ओके, एंड PRI इज नॉट सो पावरफुल. So this was all about your one party, bi-party, multi-party system, examples of this, and coalition government. Goodbye.